All right, I gotta find a box. Let's get some light going here. Ooh, this is kind of promising. Let's see what we got. There's still something in this. Huh. Oh my god. I forgot I ordered this. So as you saw, I found a box. I found a box that had stuff in it. I found a date on that box of when it was shipped of May of 17. This is something I ordered off of Kickstarter 2 years ago. I forgot about it. I'm not gonna make excuses. It wasn't cheap, but I forgot about it. But I moved in there too. And right after I got that, about a week later, I started packing up to move. So it got packed away before I even had a chance to open it. So what is it? I was really excited for these when they came out too. So I'm kind of a little ticked off that I forgot about it until now. So, let's see what's in here. Grypmat. Heard of them? If you haven't, it's a pretty cool company. So, of course, they had the Kickstarter campaign. That's where I got in on. They were on Shark Tank too. Now, I don't know which one came first. They were successful on both. I've actually started seeing them pop up on the Snap-on truck. So, I forgot about this. I had it and I forgot about it. But, it's out now. Let's take a look at them. See what they look like. And see, this has never been opened. It is still taped up. Look at that. The edges are still taped. The front's still taped. Let's see here. Where did I see the date at? The date. 5/30 of 17. That's when that was shipped. It's been sitting in my basement for almost 2 years now. Okay, let's get to it. Get it open. I will say, I think whoever packed this for Grypmat didn't do the greatest of job, but that's okay, however. Alright, what we got? Got a nice little thank you card. Signed by, well, not signed, but printed out from Tom Burden, the founder and inventor of the Grypmat. So this is the 3-piece kit. So you get 3 different sizes. Let's get this box out of the way. So, you got a small little parts tray. You could also use this for smaller tools. This would be great, you know, for if you're tearing something down. Drop your little parts in as you're going along. And you've got a little bit bigger one. This one's got a nice little open area. It's also got some dividers in here. Also has a ruler that's built in. You've got inches along the top, centimeters along the bottom, a couple little storage things on the side, and you've got a little hook that you can hang it up someplace. Then you've got the Big Daddy. This one's got a nice handles on it. Got a nice area in between. Same deal. You've got ruler along the top, ruler along the bottom, centimeters on the bottom, inches along the top. These are a real heavy duty, I guess it's like a silicone rubber. They say they are chemical resistant. I'll look and see, and I'll try to put it up maybe like right here with which chemicals they are resistant to. These things appear to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. They're nice and flexible. And this is one of the neat things about these is that, okay, it's going to call me a liar, but my toolbox isn't exactly flat, but they contour to surfaces. So if you're using this like on the hood of the car, or the fender of the car, it'll roll over and it won't slide off. They do tell you to clean these before use. In fact, I think it even said that right on the outside of the box. This will sound along one of these little guys here. Like if you got cords or something, I guess you could also use it for tying these all together to hang them up. So you could feed it through there like that. Feed it through there. Pull that tight. Then you can hang them all up at once. So I have not got to try these yet. I just unboxed them, but I am going to keep them in the truck. Gonna start using them. This little guy here, this will be great for working inside the vehicles like I do, tearing apart dashes, put screws, that I pull out of the dashes in here. You can get the little magnetic bowls, but they don't always work the greatest, and they always seem to kind of be in the way. You drop it on the floor, the magnets don't always hold. With this, I can lay it flat on the floor, don't have to worry about my screws getting messed up, and I got dividers in there, so I can put them in different locations. They say these things are super strong, 1000 psi tensile strength, I believe is what it said. They're a really great product. I'm really looking forward to trying them out. They are available on Amazon. I'll try to put the link down in the description below. Right now, I want to say the 3-piece set's maybe around $150. But this is not sponsored. It's just something that I happened to find. I ordered them a long time ago, and I wanted to share with you guys because that's something I don't know if a lot of you guys have seen. Like I said, I have started to see them on my Snap-on truck. My dealer said he sells a lot of them. I've seen them, of course, on Amazon. If you're on the tool groups on Facebook, I know one of the guys on there was selling them for a while. Right now, I believe they are only available in orange. Some of the benefits they show, I'll bring this card forward here a little bit. Insane grip, surface protection, flexibility, tool accessibility, loss of tools. I think they probably mean loss prevention of tools. Non-magnetic, non-flammable, anti-static, measurements, and chemical resistant. You can clean it using just water and soap. Scrub it with a towel, dry it off, you're good to go. It's a great product. I'm looking forward to trying it out. So I'll give another rundown of it coming up soon after I've had some time to use them, see how they all work out. But really looking forward to this one. If you have any questions about them, let me know. I'll do my best to answer anything. I will do a follow-up review here maybe in another month or two after I've had good hands-on time with them. We'll go from there. As always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.